it's Greg. I hope you're well. Hey, this is an idea I've been thinking about. It might intrigue you. It might prove useful. I'm not even completely decided about it. But it did occur to me a few weeks ago that the most interesting sounding names, or the nicest sounding names, both the first and last names start with the letter A. Or don't start with it necessarily, but have the letter A in them. I was looking at an old friend's Facebook page, and he was saying that once upon a time he skateboarded with a guy named Jay Adams, who was kind of a legendary skateboarder in Southern California 3 or 4 decades ago. And I had read about Jay Adams in the past, and it had always occurred to me that I liked the way the guy's name sounded, Jay Adams. It just sounded nice on the tongue and in the brain. And when I was trying to analyze why, I thought it probably is because both the first name and the last name contained the letter A and the A sound. And when I started checking out other names in my mind, it did seem to me that if a name contained the letter A in both its first and last name, it sounded nicer than ones that didn't. So I was going through them, like I went to school with a girl named Aliyah Khan, and that's a nice sounding name. And then I was thinking about Barack Obama. That's pretty nice. That has the letter A in both the first and last. And actually my mom's name is Avis Dahlin. That has the letter A in both the first and last name. That sounds pretty nice. My name is Greg Dahlin. I don't have a letter A in my first name, although it kind of sounds like a letter A. But I don't think it sounds as nice as those other names. But then I started thinking it's kind of interesting how the first person in the Bible mythology is Adam, and his name begins with the letter A, which is the first letter in the alphabet. And that seemed like it probably wasn't just a coincidence, but it's kind of an amusing thought, I think. And then I thought about how the so-called founder of Western civilization, Abraham, from the Bible, his name also has a letter A in it. But then I started thinking, drink a lot of milk, it's my favorite food, and it doesn't have the letter A in it. It begins with the letter M, so that kind of threw me for a loop. So then I was thinking, well, maybe names with the letter M in them are the best. So I really haven't reached a conclusion where I'm certain, but I still think names with the letter A sound good, and maybe that's why the letter A is the first letter in the alphabet, because maybe it is a good sounding letter when you pronounce it like A or A or Ah. So if you're naming a kid or renaming yourself or giving yourself a nickname, conceivably you would want to choose names with the letter A in it.